Welcome to First Time Casting Adventures channel. Please subscribe for more videos.
Yeah, it is now. Yep. Yep. Uh-oh. Oh. Oh, nice one. Nice one. Nice one. Threw it right in his mouth. Oh, he got off. He got off. Y'all saw it. Struggle's real. I think I had a little bit too much on him. Yeah, he was right at the bank. I threw it down beside the bank like this. That joker grabbed it. So Patrick, I think they're on that corner there. Dang. You know something? See, it's stuff like this make you just want to pack up and go home and try it again. But hey, got to keep it going. Hey Patrick, you want a 2-pound crappie? Wow. There's a snake right down there by where I'm fishing at too. Like a water moccasin.
That's a real big crappie.
Yeah, it is. You want them? Okay.
Start catching them. I gotta think about it.
It's a big crappie. All right. Whoa!
Come on, bro. That's a nice one right there. Keep him down. You're coming up. Keep him down, bro.
Is that a crappie?
That's a big crappie. Looks like another crappie. That's a crappie, bro.
Yeah, a big one.
Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Get that one in, bro, Clyde. Get that one in, bro, Clyde. Get that one in, bro, Clyde.
Oh.
That's a 3-pound crappie.
Think so?
That's a 3-pound crappie.
You can just about get your fist in his mouth.
That's a 3-pound crappie. No, for real.
Got scale.
Maybe two.
No, he's more than 2. He's about 2.5.
Said 2 something, boy. Clyde, I ain't gonna shoot you too long.
I know. I said 2.5. I would say 2.5.
Y'all know a couple weeks ago, a 4-pound crappie was caught. This ain't a 4-pound crappie, but oh my goodness.
Yeah, he's huge.
At least 2 and some change. I ain't seen one that big, boy, Clyde.
I ain't neither. Not like that, man. That thing's freaking huge, man. Look at that. That's a huge crappie, man. He felt like a bass. Wow. I hope y'all guys seeing this. What? Oh, you got to redo that, man.
Wrong, but Clyde.
I know. That's a huge crappie, you guys.
Wait a minute. Yeah, you right.
Yeah, I agree. So something ain't right, Patrick.
He light though.
Not get spun out. See how narrow he is?
Yeah.
He a little bit more than 2 pounds though.
Oh man, messed up that time.
Let me go get my scales. What? 2, okay.
2 pounds, 2-pound crappie.
Okay.
But he would be bigger. Let me get a picture of that first class.
Yes, sir. Yep, so.
No.
Oh, you want me to hold it?
Oh, you let me take a shot with it and everything too?
Yeah, man. Yeah, of course.
This big old crappie I caught.
Go ahead. Help yourself.
It's right there.
You want?
No, I can't.
Okay. Let's get it back in the water, guys. Oh, let me see. Am I rolling? Yeah, I'm rolling. I can't get down there, guys, so I got to do a distance release. That's a huge crappie, man.
That is a huge crappie.
I told you they was on this point, Patrick. See?
Crappie on this point. I don't want no crappie.
Man, I'm taking for whatever bites. Whatever bites. I got him off the bottom, too.
Way out there.
Yeah. Uh-oh. Another crappie. Yep. No? Yeah, it is. Okay, you guys.
Crappie.
It look like we having a crappy day.
Oh, man.
Wow, look at that.
That's exciting. Wow. You done got another one, y'all.
They right over there in the bag.
That's how we did it last time.
Well, yep, we started out with bass and wound up having a crappy day.
Dang.
I got to get you back in the water. I can't leave you there. Yep. Okay. Goodbye. Get him, Patrick. Get him, Patrick. Woo! I missed the recording of mine, but I got Patrick's. Look at this, you guys.
Look at that, y'all.
Watch this. Photo ball. Y'all, look at this guy.
First
Good
one,
gracious.
guys. First one.
Awesome.
Yes, sir.
Awesome.
I don't know if I'm recording, tell you the truth.
Nope. But don't worry about it. I got you. Look at that.
Look at that, y'all.
Nice one. Look at his tail, man.
Yeah, he got the little rough. Look at that, guys. First one on the 8-inch mag draft. Had to break it in. Broke it in right. That's a 3-pounder right there, y'all.
Yes, sir.
Woo!
Nice. Persistence pay off, brother.
Hey, man. Hey. Stay hungry. Stay.
Patrick. Black crappie. I keep catching these doing crappie, man. I'm having a crappy day, man. Definitely a crappie. It's a white crappie. Definitely having a crappy day. Can't do nothing about it. Sometimes you have them. Can't help sometimes with having a crappy day. Good gracious. You get some distance on that thing, man. Check that out. Having a crappy day, guys. One of them crappy days. Let's get him back in the water. As you guys, getting dark. I'm about to cut this thing short. Nice video. Hey, there it is. Water warming up pretty good. Spring has sprung. So, hey, got to get out there and fish. You guys, y'all have a good one till the next video.